pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card
Panthers.
My name is Hassan.
And my name is Ryan.
And here's your Panther Nation news for Thursday, August 19th.
Does not have enough players to have a girls soccer team at the moment. We need at least 10 more players to join in order to have a team. If you would like to join the team, please report to the gym after school today. See Mr. Guzman or Mr. Fayamam with any questions. Have its first meeting before school from 9:10 to 9:25 in the Media Center on Monday, August 30th. See Ms. Selson with any questions.
And with our field team.
Today's lunch is beef Philly cheesesteak, cheese pizza, grilled cheese sandwich, and PBJ.
Good morning, Freedom Panthers. Today's weather is going to be a high of 93, a low of 77, and it will be partly cloudy.
Welcome to Riddle Me This. And the riddle today is going to be, what has hands but cannot write or clap?
I'm from Connecticut.
What is it? A clock.
Welcome to your daily dad joke. Today's daily dad joke is, did you hear the rumor about butter? Well, I'm not gonna spread it. You're doing great, sweetie.
I wanna sing for you. Yeah, I'll sing for you. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you.
That's all your news for today, Freedom Panthers. As always, go Panthers, go